so here is the little package. I did go with carbon fiber gear. I did browse Amazon for a while. We looked at it and a lot of them said carbon fiber 100%, but when you really read the comments, a lot of people would say that it's not real carbon fiber. I wanted to go with a carbon fiber for my anthracite. I think it would look pretty good. I found the carbon fiber gear. Their website link is below. Check it out. They have a lot of cool products. The price was honestly $10 more than Amazon. It came pretty quickly, so very happy. But here's the package. It came in a little nice bubble wrap package. Comes in a little box, carbon fiber gear. But here we are. So you get this set of universal fasteners. Unfortunately, they do not work for the Supra. Supra is a very special car that requires very, very many special parts, including special fasteners. But the good thing is that we have so many parts laying around and so much stuff that Matt was able to find 2 fasteners that actually work for me. But what I do like is that it comes with little covers, so I hope they will work. And then the actual frame is wrapped, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see it. It actually feels very good. It has a little handmade sticker here. Little buffers so it doesn't rattle. The quality overall is pretty phenomenal. What can I say? I'm very, very happy. So next I'm going to be installing it so that we can finally get the car out of their driveway and drive it around. So let's put it on and then we'll be ready to go. All right, that's it. It's here, so let's check it out. So there we go. It's in. Disregard the old Supra fasteners, you know, but otherwise I really like it. What do you guys think? Hopefully I can get a good shot of it here. Like it. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Let me know. Comment below, like it, hate it. I love it. So I'm definitely gonna keep it.